As I told you about the vowel sound A have 20 syllables, and all those 20 syllables can help you to make a word. For example, the first syllable we say about A. About A. A can make the word and can make and the words, the syllable ba. You can make a word called bat. Okay? The syllable da can match a word called dad. So all those 20 syllables help you as the pupils and the students at home to make a word. For example, out of that 3 words I make to you, but there are so many words you can make by using sound A. Fun, cat, van, wax. All those are words that are made by vowel sound A. You're supposed to remember, here we are talking about the short vowel sound. The short vowel sound. Thank you. See you tomorrow.